Hey everyone, did you know your website might already be getting traffic from AI tools, and you don't even know it? I'm talking about platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. The crazy part? Most of that traffic is completely hidden inside your analytics. In this video, I'll show you how to uncover that hidden AI traffic using Google Analytics, and more importantly, how to use it to grow your SEO. Let's get started. Here's the issue. Google Analytics does not clearly label AI traffic. So visits coming from AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude are buried inside your referral traffic. That means, you could already have pages performing inside AI search, but you have no idea which ones. And that's a huge missed opportunity. Because AI search is one of the fastest growing traffic channels right now. The good news? You can actually track this traffic with a simple custom report in GA4. And it only takes a few minutes to set up. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Create Exploration Report. First, open Google Analytics and go to your property. On the left side, click on Explore. Then choose Blank Exploration. Give your report a name, something like AI Traffic Report. Set your date range to the last 28 days. Step 2. Add dimensions. Next, go to the Dimensions section and click the plus sign. Search for an ad, session source, page location. Make sure to click Confirm. Step 3. Add metrics. Now go to Metrics and add Sessions. Engagement rate, active users. These will help you understand traffic volume and quality. Step 4. Build the table. Now, add session source, page location into rows, and add your metrics into values. Step 5. Apply AI filter. Important. Here's the most important part. Scroll down and add a filter. Select session source. Then choose Matches Regex. Now, paste a regex that includes AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and others. Once you apply it, boom, you'll start seeing which AI tools are sending traffic to your site. Step 6. Export the data. By default, you'll only see a few rows. So go ahead and export the report as a CSV file. Now you have a full list of AI sources, pages getting traffic, and how much traffic they're sending. Analysis. What you'll notice, now here's where it gets interesting. When you look at the data, you'll probably notice that your blog posts are outperforming your service pages. Why? Because good blog content doesn't just answer one question. It answers multiple related questions. This is something called query fan out. And AI tools love that. Optimization tips. That said, service pages can still perform well if they are clean and well structured, include FAQs, answer specific user questions, and are clear and concise. Strategy. Turn data into growth. But here's the part most people miss. Tracking the data is just step 1. The real value comes from understanding why certain pages are performing well, and then repeating that strategy across your site. So instead of guessing what works, you're using real data from AI search. Use case, business angle, if you're running a website or even a digital product business. This is huge. You can identify top performing content, double down on those topics, and turn AI traffic into real customers. So here's what I recommend. Set up this report today. Find your top AI performing pages, and start optimizing your content for AI search. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more SEO and digital marketing tips. And I'll see you in the next video.
you.